Learn how to use the ThreatNG External Attack Surface Management, Digital Risk Protection, and Security Ratings platform in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Select the desired areas of investigation. You can select one or more modules or select all. Here you will find a confirmation of the selected investigation modules. Step 2. Provide the domain and organization name of the entity to investigate. Step 3. Refine investigation details to discover, uncover, and assess for specific people, places, or brands. In this portion, you can adjust and set your appetite for externally perceived risk areas or continue with the industry standard. Step 4. Establish a name for the job. You have the option to run the job once or make it a recurring job. Once you receive an email that your results are ready, you can review the findings within the scan results view of the platform. The last step is to review investigation results. Here you can find your security ratings, the score calculations, and the details of each score. We also provide different views where you can review them prioritized according to vulnerability levels, along with seeing the entirety of your digital footprint, summarized and organized that can be easily read with the ability to drill down into the details. And finally, all of the findings are used to generate a questionnaire to help facilitate collaboration with parties across technical, strategic, operational, and financial functions and departments to remediate risks and threats. Sign up for a free evaluation of ThreatNG today, and see for how we can empower you with the unlimited ability to discover and assess your entire digital presence.